Trademarks are crucial assets for businesses, safeguarding brand identity and preventing consumer confusion. Registering a trademark provides legal protection and exclusive rights to your brand's distinguishing elements, such as names, logos, or slogans. LegalZoom offers a guided service to navigate this often complex process. This explanation will outline the steps involved, focusing on clarity and practical application. Step-by-step guide. Initial assessment and search. Begin by visiting the LegalZoom website and selecting the Trademark Registration Service. LegalZoom will guide you through an initial questionnaire to gather essential information about your brand and the mark you wish to register. A crucial step is a comprehensive trademark search. LegalZoom provides a search to identify existing trademarks that may conflict with your application. This search, while not a guarantee of approval by the USPTO, significantly reduces the risk of rejection. Ensure you understand that the search provided by LegalZoom is not a full legal opinion, but a search of the USPTO database. Understand an independent attorney search will be more thorough, but will also increase the cost of the process. Application preparation. Based on the search results and your provided information, LegalZoom will prepare the trademark application. You will be required to specify the goods or services associated with your trademark using the appropriate classification codes from the United States Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO. This is critical, as it defines the scope of your trademark protection. You will also need to provide a specimen of how your trademark is used in commerce. This could be a product label, website screenshot, or marketing material. LegalZoom will then prepare the application according to the specifications provided by the USPTO. Application filing. After reviewing and approving the prepared application, LegalZoom will file it electronically with the USPTO. You will receive confirmation of the filing, including the serial number assigned to your application. It is very important to keep all documentation relating to this process. USPTO examination and correspondence. The USPTO will examine your application for compliance with legal requirements and potential conflicts. During this phase, the USPTO may issue office actions, which are requests for clarification or objections to your application. LegalZoom will forward these to you, and they can assist in drafting a response. LegalZoom provides assistance with responding to office actions. However, complex legal issues may require the help of an independent attorney. Publication and opposition. If the USPTO approves your application, it will be published in the official gazette, allowing third parties to oppose the registration. If no opposition is filed within the specified period, the USPTO will proceed with registration, and maintenance. Upon successful registration, you will receive a certificate of registration from the USPTO. To maintain your trademark, you must file periodic maintenance documents and renewals with the USPTO. LegalZoom can provide reminders and assistance with these filings. Tip: thorough specimen preparation. The specimen you provide is crucial. Ensure it accurately reflects how your trademark is used in commerce. Ambiguous or inadequate specimens can lead to application rejection. Take time to generate the best possible representation of your mark in use. Important considerations. LegalZoom provides a service that streamlines the process, but it is not a substitute for legal advice. While LegalZoom can assist in the process, the final decision to grant or deny the trademark is made by the USPTO. For complex trademark issues or legal disputes, consulting with an experienced trademark attorney is always recommended.